A major carbon monoxide leak this morning at a Portsmouth, New Hampshire hotel ended up causing the evacuation of the building and sent nearly a dozen people to the hospital. The leak happened at the Hilton Garden Inn on High Street near the downtown and waterfront area, which is where we find News 8's Steve Minnick, who joins us live now with the details. What have you learned, Steve?
Well, Tori, right now the hotel remains closed. You can see fire crews are still here. But just within the last hour, they did pinpoint the cause of the leak. It was a faulty vent in a basement boiler room. Now, while nearly a dozen people were sent to the hospital and treated, the hospital tells us it appears everyone will be okay.
I saw them leaving sick, and the mother told me that the kids were vomiting because they had been in the pool area.
Just after 9:30, guests were told to leave the hotel immediately, many of them with only blankets to keep them warm. Inside, investigators found carbon monoxide levels well into the fatal range.
Our meters only go up to 600 parts per million, and in the basement they were higher than that.
11 people, including 9 guests, were taken here to Portsmouth Regional Hospital. One hotel worker in serious condition at the time.
During her transport, she was lethargic, and at times she seemed to go in and unconscious.
Most of the guests who became ill were downstairs in the pool area, including several children. Bob Donnelly was swimming with his 3-year-old daughter. She complained of a little sickness, but turned out to be okay.
They dragged us out, tested us up in the lobby, and then brought us into the ambulance to test them further. Then, like I said, some of the kids were starting to show signs and had thrown up. The others, my daughter didn't, and we were let go.
By noontime, guests were allowed back inside the hotel, but only to gather their belongings and check out. Though a significant disruption. Firefighters say had this leak happened even 4 hours earlier, people could have died.
But if this happened in the nighttime, the whole building was affected, and we could have had 60 guests with serious carbon monoxide poisoning.
Now, this particular hotel does not have carbon monoxide detectors. It is not required to, but this afternoon, a spokesman for the hotel said that they have already started installing carbon monoxide detectors. In Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Steve Minnick, News 8.